Let's be honest, you've probably heard that real estate is the key to building real wealth, but nobody ever shows you how to actually start when you don't come from money. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I bought my first rental property for just $55,000 cash with no mortgage and no interest, and exactly how you can do the same even if you don't have cash saved up yet. If you stay with me to the end of today's video, you will leave this video knowing how to find hidden deals, how to pay for them with or without cash, and exactly who you need to know to make this happen so you don't waste your years wondering where to start. So grab a pen and paper, grab something to drink, because if you want real freedom and a real plan, this is the video you have been waiting for. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amie, and on the channel here, I share real life money moves, personal growth, and practical ways to help you level up your lifestyle. If building wealth or buying your first rental property is on your vision board, hit that subscribe button down below because you are exactly where you need to be today. So here's my story on how I got started with real estate. From a very young age, I always knew I wanted to become an investor. So I went ahead and I did a whole bunch of research. I made friends with local agents. I asked questions and showed up where investors hung out. So when a $55,000 fixer-upper popped up in my area, guess what? My agent friend called me about it before the property was put into the market. When I stepped inside the property, it looked like a total disaster. There were holes everywhere, in the walls, in the floors. The ceiling was caving in, and the bathroom, the toilet was literally halfway sinking through the floor, almost landing into the living room area down below. Honestly, if I didn't know what I know about fixer-uppers now, I would have never believed that that place was worth $55,000. But despite all of the damage, I saw potential, and more importantly, I saw future equity. So I took the leap and I bought it. After closing, I spent an additional $19,000 on simple updates. Nothing too fancy, but impactful. New wood floorings in a living area, new carpets upstairs, brand new doors, updated kitchen cabinets, and new appliances. Nothing too fancy, just clean, modern, and livable. That same property now pays me about $1,700 every month. It covers bills and helps me build savings towards my future. Now, let's talk about relationships, because money matters, but relationships move mountains. You're not always going to find the best deals online or Zillow. They come from people who trust you and know exactly what you're looking for. So align yourself with people that are in the field that you want to be in. Tell people you want to become an investor if you want to become an investor. Make friends with agents, lenders, join local investor groups, show up at open houses. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend time with. You're the average of the 5 people you align yourself with. So go where you want to be seen. By the way, if you're watching this and thinking, Amie, I need all of this in writing, I got you, because I made you a free first rental property checklist. I'm going to be leaving that link down below for you guys. And also, if you want to see exactly how I made the money to buy this property, I've made a video on how I saved $70,000 in 2 years as a single mom. I'm also going to be leaving that link above, and I'm going to leave it down below for you guys as well. Now, paying cash was my path. How did I do it? I lived below my means. I funneled every extra dollar, side hustles, tax refunds, bonuses. I funneled all of that straight into my real estate fund. And I protected that money like my life depended on it, because it did. If you want my exact plan, go ahead and download that free checklist and watch how I saved that $70,000 to make all of this happen. Maybe you don't have $55,000 in cash right now. That doesn't mean you can't do this either. You still can. Here's how you get in the game smart right now. There are 3 types of loans you can use to buy your first rental property, even if you don't have a pile of cash saved up yet. Number 1 is a conventional mortgage. A conventional mortgage is a standard home loan not backed by the government. Typical down payments with this mortgage is about 20% or less. Best for buyers with great credit and stable income. The stronger your credit means the better rates you're gonna get. Number 2, you can also take an FHA loan. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. This is a government program that ensures loans for first-time home buyers. The benefits are low down payment as low as 3.5%. And also flexible credit, easier to qualify for than conventional mortgage. This is perfect if you're someone that has limited savings. And then the third one is a 203K loan. A 203K loan is an FHA backed loan that is made for fixer-uppers. One loan covers the purchase of the property as well as renovations. Great if you find a property that might needs a little bit of cosmetic work done and you don't have cash upfront. Pro tip, always get quotes from multiple contractors before you close. But biggest lesson here, don't wait for perfect. Start where you are. Study your market. Build relationships that open doors. Run your numbers and take messy action, because learning by doing is always going to beat waiting around forever. One fixer-upper, one door, one rental property. That's how you start building real wealth. If this video helped you, comment down below right now where you're looking to buy, and also who you're going to be adding to your circle to help you further ahead into this journey. The next step, download your first rental property starter checklist. The link is in the description bar below. And don't forget to watch the video on how I saved the cash to make all of this happen. If I did it, I trust that you can too, because I did it with 2 kids. And let's say you don't have children, you can definitely make this happen. Don't just watch, take action. This time next year, you could own your first rental property too. Like, share, subscribe. I'm rooting for you always, and thank you very much for watching. And I truly hope to catch you over in the next video. Bye.